All right, all, I want to thank you for joining the meeting today. So here's the problem. With all the leaks, the hype, and all the excitement over the new CVOs, I feel like we forgot to get a couple other models out, just to pass the time. So I realized that we haven't done an Icon bike in a little bit, so it's time to do our next one. So, Mike, give it to me. What do you got? Oh, sir, you are going to be so excited. We have been planning the next bike in the Icon series. It is just going to completely blow you away. Now, check this out. We are calling it the Harley Davidson 2023 Icon Series Electric Glide Highway King. Doesn't that just make you so excited? Sorry, man, sorry. Yeah, that name's a little long. Could we maybe get something just a wee bit shorter? Maybe something that would fit into a tweet? Well, yeah, I guess we could work on the name a little bit, but I mean, it's cool. I picture fireworks, pa, 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 pa. While I'm saying the name, it'd be so good. All right, whatever. We'll get back to the name after. But yeah, so tell me about this bike. What is new and exciting? What are we going to be bringing to the table that we haven't done already that is just going to excite people and make them want to run to their local dealership and put a deposit down to buy this bike? All right. So check this out. This is the best part. So we went ahead and we just took the Revival, that bike that we did, like the first one in the Icon series. We got rid of that Batwing fairing. We got rid of the stereo. We got rid of the electronics, and we replaced it with a plexiglass windshield and 2 running lights on the side. And then we added some color matched tint on the bottom of the windshield that's going to like pair up with the rest of the bike. It's just going to look really cool. We just took the fairing off of the Icon and removed all the electronics and added a crappy plexiglass windshield and a couple running lights. That's it? That's what we're going with? Well, yeah, that's really it. Just the windshield, some lights. Let me check here. Yeah, windshield and lights, and electronics are gone. Is it at least going to be expensive? So we were thinking price-wise, we were just going to leave it exactly the same as the other Icon bikes, same as the El Diablo, same as the first, the Revival. It's just, it seems like a good number. So just below $30,000 just seems like a great number. Oh, cool. We're charging them the exact same price, but giving them less. I like it. I like this bike a lot. I knew you'd see it my way. That's what I'm talking about, Sarah. Yeah. Remember, fireworks. Pa, 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 pa. That's going to make it so much cooler looking. All right, so let's move forward. What are we doing with colors? Of course, we've been working on colors. So with this Icon, we're actually going to give you 2 different choices. So check this out. We have got Road Cone Orange and Hot Pink. It is going to be so cool. Whoa. Nobody's buying a pink bike, so let's just back up on that one. Can we call it something else? Yeah, I guess calling it pink could be a bad idea, but seeing how we're throwing back to the late 60s, early 70s, let's just put the words hi-fi in front of everything, and we'll go the T-Mobile route, and we'll just call pink magenta. That confuses people enough, and they think it's fully acceptable because it's not actually called pink, but it's still pink. There we go. Hi-Fi Magenta and Hi-Fi Orange. That's perfect. Nobody knows what the hell magenta is. We can slide that pink bike right by them. All right, so are we going to be bringing in gunslingers again to do all the custom paint? Woo, doggy, hell yeah! Gunslingers Custom Paint here to make your bikes look awesome. We're going to do the best paint jobs on there. You're going to love it. Yeah, woo! Let's get it done. No, I don't think we need gunslingers. I think we can definitely paint these in-house. Yeah, I think it's a good idea that we keep the paint in-house. No. Man, this still sucks. All right, so let's get a couple other voices involved in this conversation. It shouldn't just be between you and I. We need a lot of creative juices flowing to make sure this bike succeeds. Joe, should we be doing an all-black engine in metalwork and trim and all that, or are you thinking chrome?
I live, I die, I live again, till Valhalla! shiny and chrome.
Sure, Joe. Whatever you say, man. We will definitely do chrome. That's cool. That's cool. That is so cool. Make sure we get a drug test on Joe. And mental health check. Definitely. Let's check on Joe. All right, look, that's cool. So we're doing the exact same bike as the Icon, except we're taking off some of the parts and still charging the same price. We've got the colors covered. Joe's taking care of the chrome. That's cool, Joe. That's cool. So what are we thinking? Like 1,500 like we did the El Diablo and the Icon before this? So for a stock count, we're thinking 1,750 this time. We want to bump it up a little bit so we can give more people a chance to buy this bike. 1,750? Why are we going up? I mean, quite honestly, that Icon sat on many sales floors for close to a year before we completely sold out of stock. Do we really want to be doing more? I mean, same thing with the El Diablo. Like 8-9 months later, these things were still sitting on the floor brand new. Pretty sure you could still find them in some dealerships, untouched, unbought, and everything. Do we really want to go up with the count? Well, yeah, we did have a hard time selling out all the El Diablos and all the revivals with a 1,500 count, but we did have some new strategies to take care of that, you know, taking into account that we've gone up to 1,750. Let me just check my notes here. Yeah, my notes say to shut up. Whoa, that's no need to take it to that level, but all right, I'll shut up. We'll just run with 1,750. No problem. We're definitely going to sell those out. There you go. Now we're on the same page, sir. This is going to be so excited. I am looking so forward to getting these bikes out to the general public. This is going to be great. I am so excited for all the cutting edge stuff we're doing here, like paint and chrome. That's going to be so cool. I mean, everyone out there is going to love it. You are going to love it because we told you to. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. Honestly, I cannot tell you how long I've been waiting to do that chrome joke. I've had that can of food grade edible like chrome paint forever, and hopefully some of you Mad Max fans out there definitely appreciate that one. Yeah, I hope you guys dig this video, and there's really not much more to say past that except for half my face is now silver. I wonder how hard it's going to be to wash all this off. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's like, oh sweet, I can pay the exact same money as the Revival and get less. This bike is awesome. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.